Hi guys, Monday morning down at Cobra Sport Exhaust. I'm just going to let you know what we've got in today. We have got 15 plate Civic Type R in. This one basically is going for a full turbo back system with sports cat. What I'm going to do is we're going to get the system stripped off, let you have a look at it, see the difference between ours and the standard OEM. Then obviously when we get it fitted, I'm going to let you have a listen to it. Right, we've got the system stripped off the Civic. I'm just going to show you a difference between stock exhaust and the Cobra exhaust. Right, over to the stock exhaust. As you can see, it's quite a restrictive cat unit. Pretty small bore as well. You'll see the difference when I show you the Cobra exhaust. It's time for the Cobra exhaust. This is a sports cat version, so this will pass the MOT. This is a full 3-inch bore, 76mm exhaust. And this is going to lead back to a quad 4-inch tailpipes, inverted slash cut. Next stage is I'm going to get it all fitted. Once we get it fitted, I'm going to let you have a listen to it. Right, all completed. Bit of a nightmare fitting the downpipe. They're not the easiest to fit, so I must warn you, if anybody's going to buy one of these systems, the downpipe, make sure you get somebody professional basically to fit it. Don't try doing this on your drive at home. Anyway, let's have a quick look. Let you have a look at it. So this is obviously, like I explained before, has got a downpipe sports cat on. I don't know if you can see up there. And this is running 3-inch turbo back system. This is a non-resonated. And this is coming to a quad 4-inch inverted slash cut. Right, moment of truth. Let's have a listen to it. I think you'll agree that sounds great. If you want any further information about this vehicle or any other vehicles that we offer on our website, please visit www.cobrasport.com or contact our sales team on 0114 244 712.